If you're looking for an in-depth Vitamix 750 versus a 3500 comparison, then this video is for you. I'll explain all the differences so that you know which blender is most worth buying. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to see the most up-to-date pricing information. The Vitamix 750 and A3500 are powerhouses in the kitchen, each boasting a robust 2.2 peak horsepower motor. This impressive blending strength allows you to tackle tough ingredients with ease. Both models feature hardened stainless steel blades measuring 4 inches in diameter. These sharp, durable blades make quick work of ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables. The A3500 takes efficiency a step further with its digital timer. You can set precise blending times, ensuring consistent results every time. The 750, while lacking this feature, still offers excellent control through its 10-adjustment variable speed dial. The A3500's touchscreen interface gives you a modern feel, while the 750's tactile controls offer a classic approach. Both, however, allow you to fine-tune your blends for perfect textures, which is what matters most. Unlike with your average blender, you'll enjoy professional-grade blending power at home with either Vitamix model. Your smoothies will be smoother, your soups creamier, and your nut butters more velvety than ever before. The Vitamix 750 excels at crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and pulverizing tough vegetables. You can whip up silky smoothies, creamy nut butters, and even hot soups with this model. The A3500 matches these capabilities and adds a few extras. Its programmable timer allows for more precise blending, which can be especially helpful when working with delicate ingredients like herbs or leafy greens. The A3500's compatibility with different container sizes gives you yet more flexibility because you can easily switch between large batches and small portions without overblending. Both models can handle dry ingredients, but the A3500's preset programs might give it a slight edge for consistent results when grinding coffee beans or making flour. As the blenders are similarly priced, the choice often comes down to whether you value the A3500's tech features or prefer the 750's straightforward approach. Both models come with a 64-ounce low-profile container that's made from durable BPA-free plastic. However, the A3500's container and lid are dishwasher safe, giving you an edge in convenience. A notable advantage of the A3500 is its compatibility with various container sizes. You can use smaller 8-ounce and 20-ounce cups directly on the base for single-serve blends. The 750 doesn't offer this flexibility, sticking to its standard 64-ounce container. Weight-wise, you'll find the A3500's container slightly heavier at 14.92 pounds compared to the 750's 12.46 pounds. In practical terms, however, a small 2-pound weight difference isn't going to make any difference. The Vitamix A3500 and 750 both showcase exceptional build quality, as you'd expect from this premium brand. You'll find robust construction with high-grade materials in both models. The A3500 features a sleek, modern design with a touchscreen interface. In contrast, the 750 has a more classic look with physical switches and dials. Both blenders use powerful motors and sharp stainless steel blades. You can count on either to withstand heavy use and last for years. The A3500 comes with a 10-year warranty, while the 750 offers 7 years of coverage. The A3500's wider base provides extra stability, while the 750's slightly narrower profile might fit better in tighter spaces. You'll find the A3500 equipped with a digital touchscreen interface, offering precise control at your fingertips. It features 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. In contrast, the Pro 750 uses a more traditional dial control with 5 pre-programmed settings. While not as high-tech, it's still highly effective and user-friendly. Both blenders offer variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune your blending. The A3500 goes a step further though, with its programmable timer, letting you set the exact blend time for consistent results. A standout feature of the A3500 is its wireless connectivity. You can access additional pre-programmed settings and recipes through the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. The Pro 750 doesn't offer this smart feature, which could be a downside if you're seeking the most high-tech Vitamix blender possible. Similarly, the Vitamix A3500 is compatible with a range of self-detect containers, including a food processor attachment, which is sold separately. The blender base automatically adjusts blending times based on the particular container, making it easy to achieve the perfect blend regardless of the container you're using. The A3500 smart features give it a slight edge in versatility, but the Pro 750 is still a highly capable machine. For the Vitamix 750, you can clean it by adding warm water and a drop of dish soap, then running it on high for about 60 seconds. This quick process takes care of most messes. The A3500 takes cleaning a step further. It has a dedicated clean setting on its touch panel. Just add water and soap, press the button, and let it do its thing. This automated cycle runs for about 60 seconds as well. Both models allow you to clean them without disassembling, saving you time and effort. However, the A3500 has a slight edge in convenience with its pre-programmed cleaning cycle. One notable difference is that the A3500's container and lid are dishwasher safe. This gives you more flexibility in how you clean your blender. The 750's parts should be hand washed only.